Good morning, dear students. Today I am going to begin the new chapter, that is chapter 14, lines and angles. As we all know that lines which can be extended on either side, a straight, or the distance between the 2 points which can be extended on its either side. The angle is the angle formed by the angle is the inclination formed by the two lines. When the two lines are parallel and a transversal line intersected, then their corresponding angles, these are the corresponding angles, they will be equal. Their alternate angles will be equal. Their vertically opposite angles will be equal. Corresponding angles, alternate angles, and vertically opposite angles will be equal when the two lines are parallel and the transversal line intersect each other. So here we have the questions which are based on the lines and angles. If the angles are complementary, then the sum is 90 degree. The sum of complement angle, (90°) and the sum of supplement angle, 180°. The complement angle is 90° and the supplement angle is 180°. So let's begin the exercise. Chapter 14. The first question is check whether the angles are only adjacent and form a linear pair or not adjacent. Angle 1 and angle 2. Here we have a figure. In the first question we have a figure like this. And the angles are, the name is A, B, and this is the point O. The angles are 1, 2, 3, 4. You have to check that whether angle 1 and angle 2 are adjacent or an adjacent and a common linear pair. Adjacent means which are just together, which has a line as a common. Adjacent angle means which has a common line. 1 and 2. We have 1 and 2, a common line, B, and they form a straight line. So they are adjacent and linear pair. Adjacent and linear pair. 3 and angle AOB. 3 and angle AOB. They are having a common line, but they are not forming a straight line. So they are just adjacent. 3 and 4. 3 and 4. They are not adjacent or not linear pair because they are not having a common line. Angle 3 and angle 4, they are not having any common line, so they are not adjacent or linear pair. Next we have find the complementary angle. In second question, find the complementary angle, and the angle is 25°. So its complement angle will be 90 minus 25, this is 65°. Complementary angle we can get by subtracting from 90. If the angle is given in degree and minute, for example, the angle is 35 degree, 40 minute and 45 seconds. In this condition, we convert this degree into degree and minute. We have 90 degree. 1 degree is equals to 60 minute. 1 minute is equals to 60 seconds. So, here we have 90 degree. So, it will be 89 degree and 1 degree will make 60 minute. When we remove 1 minute from here, then it will make 60 seconds. So 89 degree, 59 minute and 60 seconds. So how can we get the complement angle? By subtracting 35 degree, 40 minute and 45 second from it. Now subtract it. 19 minute 15 second, and this is 54 degree. Like this we can get supplement angle by subtracting from 180. Question number 3. Find the supplement angle. The angle is 82 degree. We can get its supplement. If it is in degree and minute, then we can convert it in degree and minute like this. Supplement angle 180 minus 82. This is 98. Next question is find the angle if two angles are supplement and they are in the ratio 5:7. Then the first angle will be 5x and the second will be 7x. They are supplement, so their sum is 180 and get the value of x. Next we have some figure based question in which you have to get the values of the lettered angle. For example, the figure is, this is the figure, this is 5x, this is 4x. They are adjacent linear pair, so their sum is 180. Straight line forms 180 degree angle. So 5x plus 4x is equals to 180. So 9x is equals to 180. So x is equals to 180 by 9. It is 20 degree. The value of x is 20 degree. If you want to get the value of angle, the first angle is 5x. So the value is 5 into 20. This is 100 degree. The angle 2 is 4x. So the value is 4 into 20. This is 80 degree. Like this you can solve the other questions also. The remaining questions will be discussed tomorrow. Thank you. Take care and bye-bye.